Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I want to share with you what I titled Savings versus Making Money, which is more important. Now the reason I want to share this is because from time to time people get to wonder which one should they do first. For some people, they believe savings is way more important than making money, while for some other people, they believe making money is way important than savings. So today, we're going to look at these two things and we're going to analyze it and be sure of the one that is much better. Because see, in the long run, we want to have great success in our financial work, and we cannot stand a chance to make the wrong financial decisions or take the wrong financial steps. So let's get right into it. Now, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, my name is Franklin from the Money Code Academy, and I'm glad you are watching. On this channel, I talk about financial freedom, I talk about personal finance, I talk about all things money, everything that has to do with money. So if these things interest you, if these topics interest you, consider subscribing, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that the next time I post a new video, you will be the first to receive it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment at the end of this video. So make sure you stay till the end of the video. So let's get right into this thing. The first thing that we need to look at here is the both of them. They are important. Saving and making money, these are two important things. But while they are both important, we have to break it down. We need to break it down so that we will understand the role that they play. See, these two things, they are important for our financial work, but at the same time, they have their different roles that they play. They have their places. For example, savings has a role that it plays. And then earning money or making money has its own different role that it plays. Now, these two things, they are two different financial principles that you need to apply if you truly want to enjoy financial freedom. You cannot do without the both of them. But then, if ever savings is going to happen, making money must come first. I discovered in my financial work that it is not possible for you to save if you are not earning anything. For so many people, they put so much emphasis on you saving money. You have to save, you have to save. Saving is very good, it is very okay, but trust me, if you're not making money or if you don't have a consistent income, it is not possible to save. That saving is not going to happen. If, for example, you're earning once in 2 months or once in 3 months, as long as there is inconsistency with your earnings, it becomes impossible to save. The reason is because when there is inconsistency in earning, hear me, you can't save because your expenses are consistent. And because your expenses are consistent, whatever money that is coming to you, it goes straight into that expenses. So it is way better to focus on making money than saving. Am I saying that saving is not important? Of course not. But you can only save when you have consistent income. Never forget that. Let's take, for example, a man is earning, let's say, about $5,000 in a month. It becomes easy for that man to save. But if a man is earning way less than $500, or maybe he does not even earn anything at all, should the focus be on savings? Certainly not. The focus has to be on making money. So when we take a look at this, we see here that having to save money is what comes after you have established a consistent channel of income. Now, if you ask me, honestly, I will tell you this, making money is way more important than savings. It is true that there are a lot of people out there who place so much emphasis on savings. It is a good thing. Savings is very, very good. It's part of the money management principles, okay? But I can tell you this. If all your focus is saving what you have earned, and you are not thinking about earning more, you are not thinking about multiplying what you have earned, if something comes up tomorrow, and of course we don't pray for anything bad to happen, but sometimes life happens, like what happened during the pandemic. We saw how the financial situation went this year. Very many people, they lost their jobs. They did not plan for it, but somehow life happened, and a whole lot of people lost their jobs, and many people went into poverty immediately. Now, in cases like that where such a thing has taken place, and then they begin to put their hands in their savings, they begin to use their savings, and more income is no longer coming, and they did not make plans of how to multiply their income, what do you think is going to happen? By the time they keep spending from that savings, which of course is a very good thing, it will carry them through for a while. But the thing is, as long as they keep spending from the savings, a time is going to come when the savings is going to be over. And when the savings is done and there is no established way of earning, what happens? So you see that instead of putting your focus on savings, or instead of asking the question, which is more important, it is better you start looking for ways in which you can multiply your income. I'm going to be doing a video regarding that, how to multiply your income. You get the point now? So I want to encourage you with this video. I don't know where you are in your financial work at this point, but I want to encourage you, keep your focus more on how to earn more money, and then whatever you have earned, while you are saving a part of it, okay, you should also plan to multiply your income. When there is a plan for multiplying your income, then I can tell you this, that you have brought balance to your financial life. So think about this and let me know what you think. There are many people out there who've spoken against savings. They say, no, don't save. Savers are losers. And then some other people say, okay, go ahead and save. It's a very, very good thing to save. Now, I am not saying that the both parties are wrong, okay? They all have their various reasons why they say what they say, or why they have said whatever it is that, they have said concerning savings. But I am coming into the picture now and saying that savers are not losers. That's number one, okay? Savers are not losers. And if you are not saving, it doesn't mean that you are doing the right thing. If you are not saving, it only means that as time goes on, you will not be able to give account of your money. So it is better, while you are earning, keep your mind on how to multiply your income. And while you have established that part of multiplying your income, then you can go ahead and save. Or while you are doing that, while you are trying to multiply your income, you can go ahead and look for ways in which you can have a balance. So you run your finances on a budget. I've done a video on budgeting. I will just put the link below and then put it in the cards up there. I would encourage you to go and listen to that video. It will help you a great deal. I did a whole course on that and it has been uploaded already. So you can have a budget where some part of your earnings will go to savings, while some part of your earnings will go to the area of multiplying your income. When you do this, you have brought balance to your finances. So that will be all for today's video. I believe that you have learned something. I believe you've gotten something from this video. Let me know what you think in the comment box, okay? Let me know what has resonated with you in this video. If there's anything that you think that I've not spoken about, let me in on it as well, okay? And I would like to hear your thoughts. What do you think? Savings or making money? Which do you think is important? And don't forget to like this video, share this video with your family, members and friends. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. You can take advantage also of my free course. I will just put the links down below so that you can go through it and learn something unique. That free course is titled The Power of Financial Education. So take advantage of it and see how it goes. I'll speak to you again. Until then, keep cracking the money code.